Hello everyone, Tom of the Tank here. Um, I had a nice comment from Erik at 187 Railways. Um, he asked me about the colour for his locomotives. He wants to paint them in a green suitable for the Russian railways. So I helped him on that. So I used this Chinese diesel that I made. And when I say made, it's a modified toy on a Lima chassis. So the green I used, Erik actually pointed out that colour may be suitable for him. So I've sent him the a short video with the colour code for value, etc. So basically, he said it was nice how I cut it down, and that he couldn't see where I'd done it. So there is a telltale line. I'm not going to point it out. I'll be giving away no secrets. So what I'm going to do now is show you the before, and there it is. It was a Chinese toy. I bought two, a red one and a green one. I cut the red one down and I kept this one. I don't know, I had a plan, but I can't remember what I was going to do with it. It's not motorized, like I say, it's a kiddie's toy, fixed wheels, and I don't know, I think it has a battery, and if you push it, it makes a sound of a train, I think. Anyway, that's not what you called. I was interested in the actual design of it, and when I measured the width of the body, I found that it would fit over a Lima chassis. So what I've done, you can see the length. You can see the length of it. So I can't remember the measurements, but I think it was 4 centimeter from the length, and also what I would call the skirt. If you look at I'll just turn this one on its side. Let's put it here. Excuse my fingers. If you look where the cooling grills are and the windows compared to the original toy, I think it was 15 millimeters I cut off the skirt to get it to fit down on the chassis. So I did when I was running it, I asked anyone if they knew if this could be based on an actual locomotive, and I think it was Newland Railways said that he thought it came from a particular Russian type, which wouldn't surprise me. This could be a toy that's been modelled on an actual locomotive. It is possible. When I made this, I noticed that the traction tyres were missing. I ordered, I think they're Pico, 12 millimeter traction tyres. I tried the Lima, but they weren't very good. So I bought a packet of 10, and when Erik said, could I help him with the colour, when I went up to look at the Chinese Loco, I noticed it didn't have any traction tyres. Then I remembered that I bought the traction tyres, well, 2 of them, for this. So there we are. So it wasn't a wasted journey up into the hot Arctic. I'm not up there now. It's far too hot. Okay, so this is the story of my cut downs. I've actually got a 130 Ludmilla, which I've cut down. I've made a mini-me. I've experimented with putting different bodies on different chassis. I've got some Mahano bodies on a Lima chassis. I've got different, I've got some different bodies on a Pico chassis. So yeah, a 67001 SNCF. I've got one of those bodies I modified and put it onto a Pico chassis, and that is a great performer. The only problem with the Limas is they're only 1 bogie drive, so they don't quite have the traction of a double bogie drive. But there we are, something else to play with. Okay, so I hope this is answered some questions for you, Erik. You can see now where it was cut down and how I did it. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye now.